First time mo bang pumunta ng Madrid, Spain? Ito na yung attractions na pwede mong gawin. Pagkalapag mo ng Madrid, Spain, between 4 to 6 p.m. direct ka sa Plaza Mayor. On that hours, ang daming foreigners, mga tourists, Spanish people na nakatambay. Mahilig sila magpakalasing. Next is huwag niyong palampasin na puntahan yung Mercado San Miguel. So, yung Mercado San Miguel, malapit lang po siya sa Plaza Mayor. It's around 3 to 5 minutes by walk. Kung makikita ninyo, ang sasarap ng seafood. So, sobrang na-enjoy ko naman, kita naman sa mukha ko. With combination wines, meron din silang mga tapas. Yung mga tapas nila, mga seafood, pork lechon, olives, and etc. Kung makikita nyo, ang daming tao sa area ko, which is Spanish people or mga foreign, they love to relax between 4 to 6 p.m. So kung single ka, this is the best place to relax, to eat food na pwede mong puntahan. Next destination that you need to visit, hindi natin pwedeng palampasin ang Puerta del Sol or di kaya Puerta. This is the main plaza of Madrid, which is very famous for economical activity. Yung mga nagrarally, andito siya. So, if you want to explore and with a good atmosphere, this is a good place to visit. The next destination that you need to visit is the Cibeles Palace. This was founded since 20th century. And of course, hindi pwedeng mawala sa ating itinerary ang Prado Museum. Yung last sa ating itinerary is the Mercado San Fernando. Okay, dito is almost similar siya sa Mercado San Miguel. Dito lang sa San Fernando is majority is local. In short, mga Spanish, mga foreigners, talaga dito sila nagpupunta between 6 to 10 p.m. or 11 p.m. para magpakalasing, mag-enjoy. Kita nyo naman ang daming pogi, mga single. O yan na, binigyan ko na kayo ng tips kung gusto nyo maghanap. Charot. So ayun, thank you for watching!